Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hack Subway Surfers unlimited money coins and keys are unlimited. So we'll start now. First of all, open Lucky Patcher. Download link is in description of Lucky Patcher. Menu of patches, create modified APK file, APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Rebuild the app. It will take some time, friends. So I am going to pause the video. So I'm going to resume it after it has done. Guys, as you can see, it is downloaded. Accomplished. So click on go to file and install. Yes. Okay. And now install this app. It will take some time. So guys, now it's installed. So let's open it. Do you guys have feeling about hacking this game? I know. Oh, it'll take some time. Guys, it's going faster now. Oh, we have a gift. I don't want to tell you guys that in which year I was born, so that's why I paused the video. Sorry about that. Oh, I didn't want to tell you guys my year of birth, so it's private, you know. We'll not wait so longer. We'll get smashed into a train like that. Yeah, we got it. Now let's stick. Oh, come on, man. Succeed now. We'll buy cars now. Yeah. With this step, you can buy coins. Look, we have 1.2 million. We'll buy every pack. Hope you guys will also succeed in this. Thank you for your support, guys. Watch my video every day. I will bring very good videos for you guys. Hi guys. Oh, I forgot keys. Yeah, done. Here, keys. Bye guys. Thanks for your support.